guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a trying viral TikTok recipes, and honestly I'm really excited because there have been so many recipes on my For You page that I've been wanting to try for so long, so I'm finally about to try them. But first I need to head off to the store because I am missing some of the ingredients. So ew, what was even that? So this is the OOTD, just some Birks and my Calvin Klein bag, some jeans and a shirt. Kind of a weak fit, but honestly it's okay. Okay, so first we are off to Dollar General because it is the closest to my house, and then after that we'll go to Publix. But I would let you guys vibe out with me to some music, but there's a such thing called copyright. Honestly, I am not trying to get copyrighted. So I will see you guys once we get to Dollar General. We are at Dollar General, and mask on first because we never go anywhere without our mask nowadays because we are not trying to catch this virus at all. Okay, so this is what we need. Okay, so we are now at Publix. Let's see if I can show you guys.
Are you vlogging right now?
Yeah.
What's up?
Hi! Oh my goodness, I haven't seen you in so long.
I know.
Okay, so I'm back in my car and my face is like low-key starting to sweat, which is kind of gross, but it's fine. Let's see, it is 12:57 and I am waiting for my best friend to get off work. That's the one that, okay, can you focus? Okay, that's the one that you guys just saw, and she gets off at 1, so it's only like 3 minutes. But I'm just about to go respond to some of my DMs because I've been getting DMs from you guys all day about the giveaway, so I do respond to DMs, or at least I try to. Okay, so I am back at home obviously, and these TikTok videos I will insert them, however I will have to mute them because again I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Okay, so the first recipe that we're going to do is microwavable macaroni.
Gotten hundreds of comments for a recipe. Half cup pasta, half cup water, pinch of salt, microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. It should not overflow if you do it properly. Splash of milk, 1/4 cup cheese or more if you want. Mix and microwave for another 30 seconds.
Which I feel like the actual pasta is not going to be cooked all the way. I feel like it's going to be really hard. Okay, so first we need a mug, which we're going to use this little skeleton mug. Okay, so we are about to try this, and it does not look that good. Okay, it's a no. That's not good. And I followed the directions, so I don't know. Okay, so next we have the Sour Patch Kids slushie, and I'm really excited to try this one because I think this one is going to be my favorite because I love sour candy. So all we need is Sprite, Sour Patch Kids, and ice. So I've migrated back to my room because my mom went to the living room to do her biology project, and I just did not want that background noise in my video. I'm about to try this. I'm really excited because this smells so good. It smells like Sour Patch Kids. Oh my goodness. What? Like, this is so good. How did I not know about this before? 10 out of 10. I 100% recommend this. I only did the yellow, green, and blue. I left like the red and orange out. I'll probably make that into another one, but this one slaps. It is so good. Okay, so next we have frozen strawberries and milk. That does not sound good at all to me. So let's go. Let's just go see what we get out of this. So this does not look appetizing at all. I think I low-key might have put too much milk in here. This looks disgusting. I got a fork. I'm not really sure why I grabbed a fork, but oh well. That's disgusting. Okay, honestly, I rate that a 0 out of 10 because that one was really bad. Okay, so the next recipe is an Oreo cake. Okay, so we are back and we are with this Oreo cake, and it doesn't really look like the video. Let me see if you guys can see this. I don't want you to focus on my face, focus on this. Okay, so it looks really oh my goodness, okay. It looks really watery. It's not even the taste that's bad. It's the texture, like it's slimy. Way too much like liquid. It just didn't finish cooking. I did it for a minute. She did it for a minute in the video. Okay, so lastly on the list we have the pancake cereal. I am actually really excited for this because I've seen this on my For You page so many times. So we're gonna go try that right now. here we are, and I'm not really sure how I'm going to feel about this one because I don't like soggy anything, and I feel like the milk just makes it really soggy. I'll give it a 3 out of 10 just because flavor is not bad. It's just the texture. I don't like soggy things. But that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Giveaway is still going. It is still live. You still have a chance to win. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Brooke Antonique and DM me which giveaway you want to enter. So that is Alexa or LED lights. I also decided to throw in a little something extra special for the winners. So I have decided to let the winners call me or FaceTime me. We can have a conversation. We can talk about anything you want to talk about. And I'm doing that because I love connecting with you guys and I want to meet you guys. I've been reading your DMs. You guys are so sweet. I love you guys so much. You make my day. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you, I love you, I love you.